A robot is expected to filter pollution out of at least 350 liters of air and water. It filters air at the rate of 50 liters per minute, and it filters water at the rate of 20 liters per minute. Create an inequality that represents the number of minutes the robot should filter air, A, and then water, W, to meet the expectation. So basically what we want to do is first create an equation, and then we can change the inequality sign. So it says the robot is expected to filter pollution out of at least 350 liters. So 350 liters of both air and water. So the 350 liters has to include air and water. Now it says that there's 50 liters of air at the rate of 50 liters, which means 50 times A, because it says A represents air. So 50A, and it filters water at the rate of 20 liters. Now the symbol for water is W, so we just write 20 liters times W. Now it says 350 liters of air and water. So that means we have to add them together. So 50A plus 20W is equal to 350 liters of the total thing. Now we have finished our equation, but we still have to work on the inequality. So the only thing that we need to change is the symbol here, because it's an inequality. We can't just leave it as equal. So we have to think of, when we think of inequality, are we making a sign that says less than or more than or equal to, or less than and more than? Now, I can safely say that it's definitely not these two, because it says at least 350 liters. So when you hear at least, it's always going to be the opposite. Sometimes when you think of at least, it seems like it's the other way around. It seems to be like this, but it's actually not. It's greater than or equal, because if you think about it, we want to have at least 350, so it has to be more than that. It cannot be less than that, so no less than 350. So then this inequality works the best. And there you have it. This is the equation for this word problem.